We have some serious problems when it comes to our transport. We've been talking about how to combat that, how to streamline things, and do it in a sustainable way. You guys actually have quite a bit of experience in that. What do you think are the main points that we have to be looking at in order to make our transport system a little cleaner, a little more sustainable, and most of all powered by local energy and that sort of thing?
Yeah, I think first we have to start to ask ourselves what do we mean with sustainability, and as we define it, it's for us to be able to continue our way of life, and for the Philippines, it's also to improve the quality of life in the Philippines.
Right.
And I think you mentioned two of the main drivers here. One is, of course, pollution that kills lives in the local community. Pollution kills more than 10 times more people than traffic accidents. So that's something we really have to address. And the second thing is climate change, of course, as the previous speaker mentioned.
Right.
CO2 emissions is also something we have to deal with. So it's two things really. It's local pollution, which is particles and NOx emission, and then it's CO2 emissions to really improve the environment.
Right. Well, those are two things that are very related, really, aren't they? And they're very interconnected. I mean, the pollution is one of the heavy causes of the climate change, which in fact has all this negative effects on us.
Absolutely, absolutely. They are very much interlinked. What we can offer and what we have been working on with a lot of cities around the world is to provide a sustainable transport system. And what we can offer is basically we can run on any alternative fuel, all the alternative fuels that are available. So we can run on ethanol, biodiesel, or biogas, or even electricity if that's the case.
Right.
But we really have to ask ourselves, where do we source that energy? Where do we source our fuel from? And that's where I think biogas is maybe the most interesting option for the Philippines, considering that you can source it from local waste.